welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty for those who are new to this channel, and in today's video it's all about cleaning our bedroom, and also I'm going to do a bit of refresh to my bedroom. Yeah.
You came with a warning. I should have seen it. My bad for falling. I'm far from perfect, but I know what my worth is, more than you're giving. What goes up comes back down. What goes out comes around. You're so dumb or reckless. You already wrecked this. What goes up comes back down, and your day will come around. And I don't wanna fix this. You already wrecked this for good.
I'm starting by removing all the beddings and also cleaning the floor. And to remove the stains, especially on my headboard, I'm using this Dr. Deckman pet stain and odor remover, and this product has stands to be my best product ever.
Cheated, I wasn't playing. Now, this time I leave with my head up winning. Don't feel like crying. What goes up comes back down. What goes out comes around. What goes up comes back down, and your day will come around. Oh no. What goes up comes back down. What goes out comes around. You're so dumb and reckless. You already wrecked this. What goes up comes back down, and your day will come around. I don't wanna fix this. You already wrecked this for good.
To clean my window, I'm using this Fisher glass tiles and window cleaner, and it's also working perfectly for me, and this is the product that I have used for the longest time.
What goes up comes back down. What goes out comes around. You're so dumb and reckless. You already wrecked this. What goes up comes back down, and your day will come around. And I don't wanna fix this. You already wrecked this for good.
I just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up yesterday. So hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me. Please don't wait here until your faith is shaken. There's a whole lot of good on your mind and on my mind. And I know that right now I'd like to play the part to rebuild you one more time. And I I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up yesterday. So hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me. I'll be your anything if you be the one to take me home. 'Cause right now everything makes me wanna leave this place and roam. Make me feel alive. Take my hand and run, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive. Night's only begun, don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done?
All these are the new items that I'm going to use today.
On the way you looked at me, don't know what to do, what to say to make you leave with me. Make me feel alive. Take my hand and run, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive. Night's only begun, don't you think we're done? 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 Make me feel alive. Take my hand and run, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive. Night's only begun.
Deep in the dark, down on my knees, I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. All my hope was fading away. I'm not gonna make it to the end of the day. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. No.
Now I decided to change my floral curtains to white ones and they are looking good. I'll have to change the shears cause it's more transparent than I thought, so I'll have to work on that.
I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. That I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down.
I don't wanna say anything, cause if I do, I might say the wrong words. Oh no. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I'd lose you if I didn't. Till we find what we're missing and compromise. So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can't we find a single reason not to say goodbye? Oh, if I said what's on my mind, would you stay with me tonight? If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. Oh, would that make you run and hide? Don't know what to do anymore. I'm out of options, nothing's working. I'm out of service. Come help me now, I'm fucking nervous. I'm trying but can't scratch the surface. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I'd lose you if I didn't. Till we find what we're missing and compromise. So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can't we find a single reason not to say goodbye? Oh, if I said what's on my mind, would you stay with me tonight? If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Would that make you run and
Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited.
Okay guys, this is the before of our bedroom and it's just a simple one. I only did a small transformation and I love. only did a small transformation, and I love how it came out. I love how this color blended nicely. I never thought the navy blue color, it's just a nice color like this because nimezoea white. So guys, it's very nice.
Cause you won't look after my wounds. I suppose you will never regret it. I should pull myself out from now. Cause you fucking love it when I fade. Cause you won't look after my wounds. I suppose you will never regret it. I should pull myself out from now. Cause you fucking love it when I fade.
Also changed the side bed tables to white because the ones I had, they were different colors, and I also added those mirrors there and also the table lamp, but I forgot to buy the bulb to the lightings. So guys, I also bought a new carpet. As you can see, a very nice new carpet. I love it so much. I also bought these new curtains, but I'm going to change the shears. As you can see, the shears is quite transparent. I never thought it's going to work like that, but
every time I see a glimpse of your good side, I start wondering how I could make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
Guys, for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share to your friends and family. Okay, bye, and let's meet in the next one. Baby, all I really want